WikiLoan Inc. is a website that provides tools for person-to-person borrowing and lending. People can use the tools on the website to borrow and lend money, in amounts between $500 to $25,000 among themselves, at rates that make sense to all parties. WikiLoan provides management tools that allow borrowers and lenders to manage the process by providing loan documentation, promissory notes, repayment schedules, email reminders, online account access, and online repayment. With WikiLoan, peer-to-peer lending works. When you borrow money from someone, especially someone you know, a lot of questions come up. It is a very uncomfortable process for both the borrower and the lender. WikiLoan provides tools and promissory note to make the process go smoothly without embarrassment on either side. Get it in writing. Protect your relationship. A promissory note is just what it sounds like, a written promise to pay money to someone. The note exhibits specifics that the borrower and lender agree upon, like the amount of the loan, the length of time to repay the loan, the interest rate, monthly payment and the repayment schedule. All involved parties sign the document to make it a legal instrument. Repayment. WikiLoan makes it simple. WikiLoan provides a loan calculator that allows the borrower to determine what size payment they are comfortable with, in equal monthly installments over a specified number of years, until the loan is repaid. Unsecured loans. WikiLoan supports unsecured promissory notes. An unsecured promissory note is a legal loan document that serves as a promise between parties to pay back a loan on agreed terms. Lend an ear. When executing a promissory note, there are two pitfalls to be aware of. Be sure to check the usury laws in the state where the loan transaction is taking place. Most states have guidelines about interest rate limits and loan limits. Be sure to check the section called Usury Laws or talk to your Secretary of State for more information. The IRS has guidelines on interest-free loans and may treat them as gifts, which may cause a tax burden for the lender. Please be sure to charge interest by following the applicable federal rates guideline issued by the IRS. How borrowing works, in detail. 1. Build your loan listing. Asking a relative or a friend for a personal loan can be awkward. WikiLoan will help you through the process by building a personalized loan proposal you can use when asking for your loan. It only takes a few minutes to create a loan request using our loan calculator. /loan uses. 2. Invite friends and family. The Wiki Invite tool makes it easy to publish your loan on Facebook, MySpace and Twitter. Now your friends and relatives can participate in a formal loan without pressure. 3. Agree to the terms. WikiLoan will give you a simple legally binding document agreed upon by both you and the lender, which allows you to structure the loan in a way that works for you both. 4. Repay the loan automatically. Once you receive your loan, you can choose to have your loan payment automatically withdrawn from your checking or savings account on the same date each month. You can adjust your preferences to best suit your needs. Opt to pay the minimum payment, or you can select a higher amount in order to chip away at your balance and pay your loan off early. Investor Relations. The management team believes the market opportunity for WikiLoan is significant, relative to the ongoing financial crisis, bank consolidations and changing consumer behavior regarding online lending, borrowing and banking, as outlined below. The credit squeeze. Globally, the recent credit squeeze has led banks to increase interest rates, tighten their lending practices and institute ever tougher borrowing requirements, making it increasingly difficult for would-be borrowers, particularly those with credit challenges seeking small loan sizes of $25,000 and under, to gain access to capital via traditional lending institutions. The lending gap. Current market conditions have created an opportunity for private lenders to step in and fill the small loan lending gap increasingly vacated or made more difficult to access by traditional lending institutions. In response, individual lenders and borrowers are connecting directly with one another online, without the use of a financial institution or middleman, for the purpose of exchanging capital through peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is one of the fastest-growing sectors of the financial services industry, a trend that is expected to continue for the foreseeable future. WikiLoan Management. Marco Garibaldi, Founder, Chief Executive Officer. As the founder and CEO of WikiLoan Inc., Mr. Garibaldi has extensive experience as an entrepreneur and manager overseeing the development and growth of innovative emerging companies. He is also a computer programmer by trade with over 30 years of extensive experience in a variety of sectors including computer programming, the internet, entertainment and the business advisory industry. He began his career at Burroughs and Sperry, which, in 1986, became Unisys Corporation and later founded a think tank corporation, called Intercom Incorporated. While at Intercom Incorporated, Mr. Garibaldi was responsible for introducing a host of essential online applications widely used today, and familiar to most Internet users. Specifically, his contributions are credited with the development of the online shopping cart, the online bookstore and the auction server, each of which represents a fundamental component of the current Internet commerce environment. Currently, while seeing the underserved need in the microfinance lending industry, Mr. Garibaldi has dedicated his extensive technical skills and creative ingenuity to establishing WikiLoan, an online peer-to-peer lending community designed to bring lenders and borrowers together to pursue new opportunities in this largely untapped market space of microlending. Edward C. DeFutis, Founder, President, CFO and Chairman of the Board. Mr. DeFutis is the founder, president and chairman of the board of the company since August 2005 and he is mainly responsible for startup activities from business plan through execution. He is the manager of Spider Investments LLC, as well as the president of Lion Equity Holding Corporation, which has provided investment banking consulting business services for small and emerging growth companies since 1999. Mr. DeFutis also served as financial advisor for several financial institutions including Merrill Lynch and Oppenheimer Securities from 1996 to 1999. Mr. DeFutis graduated from University of New Hampshire in 1995 with a Bachelor Arts degree in Political Science. Contact WikiLoan. Use the Contact Us form on the WikiLoan website at www.wikiloan.com/main/contact_us. By email, contact@wikiloan.com, by phone, 310-443-9246. Or by mail, WikiLoan Incorporated, 1093 Broxton Avenue, Suite 210, Los Angeles, California, 90024.